The correction return includes an option to nullify deductee records in bulk through Excel. By importing an Excel file prepared in the prescribed format, the corresponding entries for the selected financial year and quarter are marked as null in the return. Under the correction return, scroll down to Nullify Deductee via Excel. Click on Excel Download to download the previously uploaded Excel file. Click on Save to save the file. Open the downloaded file to check for corrections. In order to nullify deductee records, go back to the software. Go to Nullify Deductee via Excel and click on Nullify Deductee. One can download and edit the specific format of the Excel file to be uploaded required by the software by clicking on Download Excel Format. Open the Excel format after downloading from the software to edit. Click on Import data from Excel once done editing. Select the Excel file to be uploaded to the software. Click on Upload and validate. Click on Start Import after the Excel has been validated by the software. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.